Hello children, good morning. Children, today maths class, open your textbooks, page number 159. So today we are going to start new chapter called decimals. So have you listened about this word decimals? Hmm? I think you didn't listen decimals in your previous class. You got decimals or not? Let us see what is meant by decimals. Introduction to decimals. So there is a discussion given in the textbook. Hi Revati. She is called Revati. Do you know my science teacher told me that whale sharks are the largest known living species of shark, growing up to 41.5 feet in length. So that's interesting. But Azhar, what do you mean by 41.5? Here, this is 41.5. We are reading here in numerals. I have read about point in geometry but not in numbers. Yes, she expressed correctly. But Azhar says Revati, here point refers to the decimal. I will explain you what decimals are. Before introducing you to decimals, tell me what do you think about this number 0.0001? 0.0001. Wow, what a big number. No, lots of zero don't make a number big unless they are to the right of the number. These zeros are to the right of the number, not before left of the number. Okay, children, now let us see what are the decimals. Turn the page number 160. See here. So when we talk about numbers, we refer to each place as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. From right to left, isn't it? Yes. However, when there is a number written with a point, we call it a decimal number. You underline this one. So what when there is a number written with a point? Yes, we have written that 41.5, isn't it? So this is this number written with this point. So that number is called as, we can call it as a decimal number. And the digits after the point also have their place values. So digits after the point, these numbers also have place values. They are tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. In coming discussion, we will discuss about the place value chart of decimal numbers. Okay, look at this number 23.45. Do you see a point between the digit? Yes, you are seeing this point separates the whole numbers from fractional numbers. That point is called decimal point. That point is called decimal point. You are seeing 23.45, no? So this is whole number before the point. After the point is fractional number. How means this point we can write as 2345 by 100. It's mixed fraction. Are you seeing? You can write it in this fractional form. That's why they are saying this point separates the whole number from fractional numbers. This fractional number 45 by 100 is nothing but decimals. This you are writing in using point manner 23.45. Understood? So is called the decimal point. Every digit before the point refers to the whole number. Before the point refers to the whole number, while every after the point refers to a part of one. Refers to a part of one. So this is the place value chart of our decimals. The decimal point is placed between ones and one tenths. See, before the point, as usual, you are counting ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. But after the point, see the place values differ here. What is the difference? One tenths, one hundreds, one thousands, one ten thousands, like that it will be. So the first place before the point is taken by ones, but the first place after the point is taken by one tenths. One tenths, because a whole unit is cut into 10 parts in this place, and every number that occupy this place is that many tenths of a unit. So you are seeing here, this is one whole. This is one whole object. This has been cut into how many parts? 10 parts. Since all parts are shaded, we are taking the whole unit. So we write 1.0. 1.0. Understood? Here also, this is whole object 10, no? So the whole object cut into 10 parts, but only how many are shaded? 6 are shaded out of 10 parts. So we will write 6 by 10. In fractional form, we will write it 6 by 10. So in decimal numbers, we will write 0.6. 0.6 and read as 0.6, or we can 6 tenths. We can spell it as 6 tenths. See this now. This is also one whole divided into 100 parts. Since all parts are shaded, we have taken the whole unit. So we write 1.0. 100 by 100 means 1 only. No? 1 means we can write 1 as 1.0 also. 1.0 means 1 only. This is the one whole divided into 100 parts, but only 25 parts out of 100 parts are shaded. So see, they told this is 10 parts. No, 10, 10, 20. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 parts. In this manner, easy way you need to count it. So 25 parts shaded out of 100 parts. 25 by 100 can be written in decimal form 0.25. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So here 2 digits before only we need to keep the point decimal number in. We need to write like this. We will call it as 0.25. 0.25. After this decimal point, we will read in this manner. Split the digits, that's all. 0.25 or 25 hundredths. We need to read 25 hundredths. Understood? So while the whole number is cut into 100 parts, each one becomes 100, and second place represents that. When the whole number is cut into 1000 parts, each part becomes 1000th, and third place represents that, and it's go on. Remember that every place to the left of the ones is 10 times more than the top place value, more than the previous place value. Every place to the right of the decimal point is 10 times less than the previous place value. This is no need all discussion. So now you have clear about what is meant by decimal number. The number which is written with a point is called decimal number. And the place value chart also you should remember. Before point ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, but after point one tens, 100s, 1000s, 110,000s in this manner. We need to write the place value chart of decimal point. And how can you define the decimal point? Decimal point separates which parts? Whole part and fractional part. So whole number, decimal point separates whole number and the fractional number. So that is called the decimal point. The point which separates whole number and also fractional number is called decimal point. Understood? So now shall I see my practice time one here? See, in the textbook only you need to fill these boxes. Write the decimal fraction for the following. Write the decimal fraction for the following. So here 10, that means 20. Wait, I will write decimal fraction means write in fraction form. This is 10, this is 10, 30 shaded. This is 5. Sorry, 3, no? 3. Total 33 by 100. Isn't it? This can be written as decimal number means 0.33. Here, this is total 100. So, already they gave, you can write 1.0 or 1 by 100. 100 by 100, that's all, in fraction form means. Okay, next, here you counted this they gave 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 61. Isn't it? 61 by 100 can be written as decimal form 0.61. Okay. See, they said this is 10 parts. In that manner, we need to count here according to the figure. Okay. Next, They now reverse here. Shade the squares to represent the given decimal fractions. 0.73. That means we need to shade this part. Seven lines. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row. 70 it will become. So you need to shade up to here 70. And only 3 parts remaining. You need to shade 3 parts. Understood, Nana? So you shade it. So this is a school textbook. I should not do, but for you, for your purpose, I am showing here. And again, I need to rub it all. So you need to shade it 7 lines, and it will become 70. Next 3 parts. Understood, Nana? Each row 10 parts. No, they said that's why. According to them, you should do. One figure I will show. Remaining you should follow. Very easy this one. Okay. Like this you can do with your own textbooks. Means colors also you use. Okay, but only one color for each one, for each entire object. So this is 73. In this manner you need to shade. This is 0.5. That means how many you need to do? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 by 10 no. Only 5. No need of 5 rows. Only in one row you need to shade 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Finish. Five by 10 can be written as 0.5. Here also. This is 11 by 100. That means you need to shade 10 this row and only 1. That's all. So all I am only doing. When you will do remaining pictures, take it as a homework and do it. Okay. These two. D. If there is any doubt, call to me. Okay. Write the following decimals in words. See the third section. Write the following decimals in words. Okay. This is 9.64. How you will write? Same. What I spelled in that manner only. This number can be written as 9.64. 1.58. We need to read in this manner words. You have to write this manner only. 76.1. Or else you can write here 1.58 hundreds, 9.64 hundreds. Here only 1 is there, so 76.1 tenths. Okay. Next, this decimal in words 6.439. Next, we take it as a homework 0.004. 0.004. Okay, in this manner you need to spell it. So remaining we will see next class. Okay children, thank you.